Hi friends, Todd here, and we're back in Belmont, North Carolina, here at the Catawba River Antique Mall. I wanted to show you today something really cool. They've got an array of vintage pedal cars. Yeah, been wanting to see this for a long time, so let's go check it out. I think you'll be excited to check them out with me. I always love coming here because there is a big boy to greet us when we come to Catawba River Antique Mall. And here it is. It looks like they're all John Deere pedal cars or pedal tractors. You rarely see this many in one place. I thought this was so cool. This is McCormick right there and an Oliver. These are so nice. And down here you get the little teeny ones. They're all for sale too if you're interested in checking them out. Of course you gotta read that first. But I wanted you to take a look at these. It'd be great gifts for kids, or if you want to add it to your collection. I love how they did the display. There's an old Ford right there. There's a yellow John Deere. Don't see many yellow ones. Here's another McCormick right there. I love that red John Deere. Yeah, they told me they were going to get these in. They're not. I thought they were cars, but they're tractors. But they're going to have a lot more new stuff come in. Well, new old stuff. But I'm just as excited for the tractors as I would have been for the cars. You got one down here, old jalopy looking one. That's cool. But yeah, I wanted to show you this. It's also got the little trailer for the back. You got a few John Deere ones down here as well. And they're all for sale. Get a red Radio Flyer tricycle. These are great. They also have some of the little toy ones too. Look at the wheels. That's pretty wild. Some old ball caps. Right here, they're 1929 or 1979 each. Support your local farmer. I like that. I might have to pick one of those up. Yeah, I like my hats. Got a couple up here too. But I really love. I saw them working on this in the, recently, where they're getting the displays ready. They did a great job. A lot of history right here with these pedal tractors. That's for sure. Come down here and check this out. You rarely see something like this in antique malls. It's nicely displayed, and I love the John Deere display right there, the advertisement kind of spinning around there. I'm not sure if that's for sale or not, but that's cool. You get the cattle crossing signs. Look at this old John Deere advertisement. There's a lot of John Deere collectors out there, so if you do collect John Deere and also the McCormick tractors, this is a great place to come. Yeah, these are so nice. Wanted to share that with you. Actually, I'm going to see if there's anything else I want to show you here, since I'm here. But this is kind of the highlight of the video is the pedal tractors. Yeah, I love this. And what's neat is right across from the tractors, you have all this right here. It's all farm-related items that you can purchase here. Also, your coffee mugs right here. Very cool. Farm animals. So it kind of fits the theme of the tractors. Here's some more of the smaller ones. You also have the truck there. Very cool. Got a cool John Deere ball cap. I really think I'm gonna get one of these. I love that. Support your farmer. So raised in a barn. And this little booth here, it's got all kinds of toys, and I always like to check him out. It's got kind of newer, but also mixed in, you'll find vintage toys too. So you gotta look carefully. I mean, he's got some real old stuff too. For instance, this old World War I looking tank right there. It's really cool. And he's got mixed in really cool vintage stuff mixed in with newer stuff. Like, you know, you got these fire trucks. Then you get this really cool circus truck right there. And then over here you're gonna have like figures set up. You got Sprout missing his hair. It's a Sprout phone from the Jolly Green Giant. Some Raggedy Ann stuff here. And people have asked me about Raggedy Ann. Yeah, he's got a bunch right here. Little statues. So, various stuff. It's a cool little booth. Got Marilyn up there. Some Barbies. Yeah, there's Jeff Gordon. So, Tonkas, M&M's. You got all kinds of board games. And check out the serving tray. ET serving tray. That's pretty cool. Let me if you want to see a price on it. He's got that for $38. That's not too bad. It's actually not bad shape. Got this really neat gift pack set of Richard Petty. All his cars. And that's $35. Also has some books. Thomas the Train. Very cool. So a nice little booth. It's also got Gone with the Wind figures right there. You got Batman. Different Batman right here. And you get the fashion doll box right there. Put your doll in with all their clothes. Also have this old Etch-a-Sketch right here. I used to play the heck out of that thing. I would draw something, my brother would grab it from me and shake it up. What a jerk. You also got the Viewmaster. You also find booths like this with the military memorabilia. Got a bunch right here. And then down here, got more stuff here, but down here you got some cool, there's a little F-14, there's old Huey right there. And check out the aviation helmet, so the helicopter pilot helmet right there. And there's some more stuff down here. Very cool. I just thought I'd show you this. Little tea set. And this is a fun little toy booth right here. Yeah, check it out. Got some really cool figures. And this booth has some really cool Funko Pops. I really don't collect them that much anymore, but I did find this one here. That's awesome. It's Cousin Eddie from Christmas Vacation. And I do like these two. Got the Rocky Balboa, then you got Clubber Lang right there. And check out these Coke machines. Incredible. And this one is $24.50. This one's $14.50. Don't see that one that much, but every now and then we'll see this one. But yeah, if you need that for your man cave or for a cool prop or something, you know, in your store, yeah, come by here and check these out. There's Marley from Marley and Me. That movie just made me cry. This little A-Team van's pretty cool, and it is 20 bucks. I just wanted to stop in here and show you this amazing collection of Petal Tractors. I thought they were Petal cars. There's a couple, but they're mainly Petal Tractors. And they're almost like museum pieces for sure, but they are for sale. And if you're interested in adding that to your collection, if you don't have one, you've always wanted one, yeah, come down here to Catawba River Antique Mall and pick yourself up a tractor. All right, guys, take care. And be sure to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.